Hey, Shauna here from Bathtubber, and I'm here with Chad from Big Star Backyards in Austin, Texas. For someone who doesn't know anything about hot tubs, but they want one, what would be like their first, second, third step?
So the first step is, I'd say, understanding the space that you want to take up in the yard. Maybe understanding the amount of people that you want to fit into the hot tub is the second step. And if you want that lounge seat or that, you're going to want to determine how easy you want it to be to take care of.
Are there mistakes you see people make?
I do see a lot of mistakes in the industry now happening as far as the consumers making the decision on something that is available sooner rather than taking what they actually would prefer. Right? It's an investment. So getting what checks all of your boxes is what is important, not getting that now satisfaction.
In terms of cost, what should people expect in general?
In general, for cost for efficiency-wise, after a hot tub is installed, you're going to maybe cost between $9 and $12 a month extra on your electricity bill. And that's standby use. If you're not using it, it's running by itself on the factory filtration. Now, if you use it every night, you're going to spend $25 a month. As far as the startup cost to get everything installed, an electrician is going to cost anywhere between $15 and $25 per foot of electrical run. Right? And that's all dependent on difficulty. Now, once that electrical is installed, if you already have a patio, we will average between about your $6,500 range to $22,000 range in the hot tub sort. And from swim spas, you're going to see more so between about 25 up to about 50.
Is there any advice you could give people to get a good price when they go to buy a hot tub?
So to me, I will always not necessarily look at price as far as quality. When you look at price, you're just going to want to really make sure you have a service and reliable warranty behind the product that you're purchasing. Right? I see a lot of folks fall into extended warranties, which are covered by an insurance company. They're looking out for themselves, right? So you're actually paying for a third party to service you, and they're not going to cover you fully, whereas a manufacturer warranty does.
And how long should the manufacturer warranty be?
Most are going to be between 2 and 3 years. For our product, we're always going to carry most of the time a 5-year manufacturing warranty and a 10-year or lifetime on the shell.
Somebody's watching this video and they want to connect with you to talk about their hot tub purchase. How do they do that?
You're just going to email any of us at info@bigsstarbackyards.com. My name is Chad. We have a Facebook page. It's Jacuzzi Hot Tubs of Austin, and that's the best way to actually see any sales that are coming up in the future.
Awesome. Thanks so much.
No problem.
Really appreciate it.